For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented humanity's deepest window into the universe. Its enormous mirror, powerful infrared vision, and ability to observe some of the earliest galaxies ever formed have transformed our understanding of cosmic history. Webb has revealed galaxies from a time when the universe was still in its infancy, uncovered hidden regions where stars are born, and analyzed the atmospheres of distant planets in extraordinary detail. It created the impression that humanity had finally built the ultimate machine for exploring the cosmos. But NASA is preparing another observatory that could revolutionize astronomy in a completely different way. Rather than replacing Webb, this new telescope is designed to complement it. And it is not built simply to see farther. Instead, it is designed to see wider, faster, and more systematically than any space telescope before it. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will observe the universe like a giant cosmic surveyor, mapping billions of celestial objects and searching for the invisible forces that shape everything we see. While Webb focuses on individual galaxies, stars, and planets in incredible detail, Roman will examine the large-scale structure of the universe itself. It will investigate the mysteries of dark matter, the nature of dark energy driving the accelerating expansion of space, and the hidden cosmic web connecting galaxies across billions of light-years. Some of the greatest discoveries of the future may not come from studying one extraordinary object, but from recognizing patterns spread across the entire universe. At first glance, Roman may not appear as impressive as Webb. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters across, much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. But comparing these telescopes by mirror size alone completely misses Roman's purpose. Webb is designed for extreme depth, observing relatively small regions of the sky with remarkable precision. Roman is built for scale. Its wide-field instrument will capture enormous sections of the sky in a single observation, allowing astronomers to survey the universe hundreds of times faster than previous observatories with similar image quality. One Roman image will cover an area roughly 100 times larger than Webb can observe in a single pointing. This difference is crucial, because some of the biggest questions in modern physics cannot be answered by studying only a handful of galaxies. To understand dark matter and dark energy, scientists need enormous datasets. They must observe hundreds of millions, and eventually billions, of galaxies across cosmic history. Roman will create some of the most detailed maps ever made of the universe, transforming astronomy from the study of individual objects into the science of cosmic structure. It will reveal how galaxies cluster together, how gravity shapes their evolution, and how the universe has changed over billions of years. The greatest mystery Roman will investigate is the invisible universe. Everything humans have ever seen, touched, or directly detected makes up only about 5% of the cosmos. The remaining 95% appears to consist of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious components that dominate the universe but remain among the greatest unsolved problems in physics. Dark matter neither emits nor reflects light, making it invisible to every conventional telescope. Yet its gravitational influence can be observed everywhere. Galaxies rotate much faster than they should if only visible stars and gas were present. Something unseen appears to provide additional gravity, holding these enormous structures together. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations show that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, as though an unknown force is pushing space itself apart. Roman will investigate these mysteries using one of cosmology's most powerful techniques, weak gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects bend the fabric of space-time, causing light from distant galaxies to become slightly distorted as it travels toward Earth. Although dark matter cannot be seen directly, its gravity subtly changes the shapes of background galaxies. By measuring these tiny distortions across hundreds of millions of galaxies, Roman will create the largest and most detailed maps yet of dark matter throughout the universe. It will also study thousands of Type Ia supernovae and the large-scale distribution of galaxies to determine whether dark energy behaves exactly as current theories predict, or whether it points toward entirely new physics. Roman's mission extends far beyond cosmology. It will also transform our understanding of planets beyond our solar system. One of its major scientific programs will use gravitational microlensing, a technique that detects planets when the gravity of a foreground star briefly magnifies the light of a more distant background star. Unlike methods that primarily detect planets orbiting close to their stars, microlensing is especially sensitive to colder worlds located farther away, including planets similar to those in the outer regions of our own solar system. By continuously monitoring millions of stars toward the center of the Milky Way, Roman is expected to discover thousands of new exoplanets, including worlds unlike any previously detected, providing a much clearer picture of how planetary systems form and evolve. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of Roman is the possibility of discovering the completely unexpected. History has repeatedly shown that every major telescope makes its greatest discoveries in places scientists never anticipated. Hubble revealed entirely new classes of galaxies and unexpected cosmic structures. Webb discovered surprisingly mature galaxies existing much earlier in cosmic history than many models predicted and provided unprecedented views of exoplanet atmospheres. Roman is likely to continue that tradition. A telescope capable of surveying such an enormous portion of the sky will inevitably uncover rare cosmic events, unusual gravitational phenomena, hidden populations of galaxies, and perhaps entirely new classes of astronomical objects. The universe often hides its greatest secrets not in the places we already examine closely, but in the vast regions we have never been able to explore comprehensively. The true importance of Roman is not that it will be better than Webb. It is that it will complete a missing part of humanity's view of the cosmos. If Webb is a cosmic microscope revealing breathtaking details within individual targets, Roman is a cosmic cartographer, creating an immense map that shows where those targets exist and how they fit into the larger architecture of the universe. Together, these observatories will form one of the most powerful scientific partnerships ever created. Roman will identify mysterious galaxies, unusual gravitational effects, distant supernovae, and intriguing regions of space. Webb will then investigate many of those discoveries in extraordinary detail. One telescope will reveal the patterns. The other will uncover the physics behind them. Together, they may move astronomy beyond simply observing the universe toward truly understanding how it evolved and how it works. When the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope begins its mission, it will do far more than collect breathtaking images. It will map the invisible forces shaping galaxies, trace the history of cosmic expansion, discover thousands of new worlds beyond our solar system, and help answer some of the greatest unanswered questions in modern physics. The universe has always been filled with hidden structures, unseen forces, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Roman's mission is to bring those hidden realms into view, and perhaps reveal that the greatest secrets of existence have been surrounding us